gonna do the jalapeno challenge. He's gonna do it. I'm gonna time him.
Okay, I'm going to eat this jalapeno.
He's like 8.
And this, I could only drink a little sip
In
of
3
milk.
minutes.
You said one. You said one. I could not do that. Okay, fine. 3 minutes.
Okay.
YOLO it. Okay, and 3, 2, 1, go.
Ooh. Spicy? No milk. No milk. Is it spicy for real? Oh my gosh. Oh, I can smell the. Oh, that smells bad. Oh, dude, that smells bad. Oh, you have to eat all of it.
Oh God.
Eat all of it. Eat all of it.
Oh God, it's so spicy.
You handle a hot Cheeto before. And you handle
Wow.
a talkie. So you can
1 minute, 1 minute.
No.
A little bit.
No, you said 3. Okay, no, that's it. That's it. That's good.
Okay.
Okay, one more minute. Oh, dude, that's spicy. That's so spicy, dude. Ooh. Eat all of it. You have to eat all of it. Yeah.
YOLO.
I say you. Dude, eat it.
Oh God, I'm waiting a little bit.
Oh, God, you can drink some now. You can drink some now. Is your tongue bleeding? Drink some. Just drink some. Take a little sip. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. So spicy. Just eat one. Say it. Like eat. Right here. Eat with this. Just eat it. You just ate. Oh. Just eat. Just eat until it's out of.
Could I have one more little sip?
Yeah. Okay. Take a bite. Take a bite. Just take a bite. Oh! Ooh, your ears hurt, huh? I know your ears hurt so bad. Oh, you just ate a jalapeno. Just ate a jalapeno. No, you have to eat all of it now. You're waiting so you can get the milk, huh? Oh, I can smell that jalapeno. Yes, you can drink it now. Eat all of it, eat all of it, eat all of it. Be a man, be a man. You're gonna eat all of that, okay? Now you can drink some. That's it! Let's see if your stomach's hot, okay? Oh, your stomach's cold. Oh, no, it's hot. Wait. Oh, dude, I forgot.
What?
The stomach. The stomach. The stomach's gonna hurt a lot, dude. Can I try some?
Oh God.
We're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. Just drink all your milk.